Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. You get 17-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, reverse parking sensors. Inside the car there's half leather interior. The 7-inch touchscreen features DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car is free to tax. Let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's done under 30,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.